In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to delete a group in Zangi. To delete a group in Zangi, first of all, open the Zangi application and log into your account if necessary. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on one of your groups you would like to delete from the chat thread. Here I'm going to open up this group over here. Once you open the conversation thread for the group, tap on the group's name at the top. This will bring up the group info section. Scroll all the way down and then tap on Group Settings. If you are an admin of the group, you will be able to delete the group. Simply tap on the Delete Group button under the Group Settings page and click on Confirm. Once you do that, you will then be able to see you have successfully deleted the group. Remember that only the group creator or admin can delete a group. If you're not the admin, you can only leave the group, not delete it entirely. Once deleted, the group and its chat history will not be restored. So that is how you easily delete a group in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.